Hello everyone. Today we are in the biggest mall in Bangkok. Let's find out what he's so famous for. Mega Bangna is a large shopping and entertainment complex located in Bangkok, Thailand. It is one of the largest malls in Southeast Asia and offers visitors a wide range of entertainment, shopping and dining options. Mega Bangna has a total area of about 400,000 square meters. Mega Bangna was opened in 2012 and quickly became a popular destination among locals and tourists. It is located in the vicinity of Suvarnabhumi Airport and occupies a huge area, including shopping areas, entertainment complexes, cinemas, restaurants, and cafes. Inside Mega Bangna, you will find many shops offering a variety of goods, from clothes and shoes to electronics and home goods. There are also supermarkets in the complex where you can buy fresh food and essentials. In addition, Mega Bangna offers a variety of entertainment for the whole family. Here you will find an ice rink, cinemas with modern halls, game centers, a bowling alley and much more. For outdoor enthusiasts, there are also sports grounds and fitness centers. If you want to have a snack or lunch, Mega Bangna offers a variety of restaurants, cafes and fast food outlets where you can taste various cuisines of the world or enjoy Thai dishes. Mega Bangna is a popular shopping and leisure destination in Bangkok. Its variety of offerings and convenient location make it attractive to tourists and locals alike, an ideal place to spend your free time and enjoy a variety of entertainment and shopping. What are the big stores in Mega Bangna? Mega Bangna offers a large selection of large stores where you can find a wide range of products and brands. Some of the big stores that have a presence in Mega Bangna include Tesco Lotus, large supermarket chain offering food, home goods, electronics and more. Central Department Store, a well-known department store where you can find products in various categories, including clothing, shoes, accessories, cosmetics, and even household goods. Home Pro, specialty store offering home and construction products, including furniture, electrical, plumbing, and tools. IKEA, an international furniture and interior retailer with a diverse collection of furniture, accessories and decor. Powerbuy, an electronics store where you can find a wide variety of electronic devices including smartphones, laptops, TVs, tablets and more. Robinson Department Store, another well-known department store offering a wide range of products for the whole family, including clothes, shoes, cosmetics, jewelry and more. These are just some of the many shops available in Mega Bangna. All of them offer a variety of products and brands to suit your shopping and shopping needs. What are the big restaurants in Mega Bangna? In Mega Bangna, you can find many restaurants and cafes offering different cuisines and gastronomic tastes. Here are some of the big restaurants that are available in Mega Bangna. The Pizza Company, a popular chain of restaurants specializing in pizza, pasta and Italian cuisine. Oshi, a Japanese restaurant serving a wide variety of sushi, sashimi, rolls and other Japanese dishes. MK Restaurant, well-known chain of restaurants specializing in Thai and Chinese cuisine, especially hot pot dishes. Black Canyon Coffee, cafe and restaurant where you can enjoy aromatic coffee, soft drinks, and light snacks. Andy Ann's, famous chain of cafes specializing in freshly baked pretzels and other pastries. KFC, an international restaurant chain, serving American cuisine including fried chicken and burgers. These are just some of the many restaurants and cafes that are available in Mega Bangna. You can enjoy a variety of culinary tastes and choose dishes according to your taste in this shopping and entertainment complex. Whether you're a fan of fashion, electronics, cosmetics, or just looking for a place to spend time with family and friends, Mega Bangna has something special for everyone. Immerse yourself in a variety of stores offering the best brands and variety of goods. Unravel department store fashion and experiment with new styles. Wake up your taste buds at restaurants serving cuisines from around the world. Embark on an entertainment journey enjoying the ice rink, cinemas, game centers and other attractions. Mega Bangna is not only a place for shopping, but also a place where memories are created and new opportunities are found. We guarantee you a pleasant pastime and a lot of impressions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. See you soon.